Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Android apps keep crashing again and again, like you open an app and it suddenly closes, or you see a message saying apps has stopped, then don't worry at all. You are not alone. In today's video, I'll explain why Android apps keep crashing and how to fix it. So let's get started. Solution 1. Restart your phone. This may sound simple, but it works many times. Just restart your phone once. Restarting clears temporary glitches and refreshes the system. After restart, open app again and check if it's worked fine. Solution 2. Clear app cache. If only one specific app is crashing, this fix is very important. Go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on App Management. Then tap App List. Search the app that is crashing. Now tap on Storage and Cache. Click on Clear Cache. Don't worry, clearing cache will not delete your data. Solution 3. Update the app. Outdated apps often crash. Open the Google Play Store. Search for the app. If you see an update button, tap on it. After updating, open the app and check again. Solution 4. Update your Android system. Sometimes apps crashing because your Android version is too old. Go to Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then tap System Update. Download and install the latest update if available. Make sure your phone has enough battery before updating. Solution 5. Free up phone storage. Low storage is one of the biggest reasons for app crashing. Delete unused apps. Remove unnecessary photos or videos. Clear junk files. Try to keep at least 2 to 3 GB for free space on your phone. Solution 6. Reinstall the app. If nothing's worked, reinstalling the app can fix the problem. Uninstall the crashing app. After that, restart your phone. After restarting, install the app again from the Play Store. This removes scrub files and gives the app a fresh start. And that's it for today's video. These are the best and easiest ways to fix Android apps keep crashing. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.